Let's start with a quick reality check. Have you ever read a piece of content from a brand you love, only to come across another post from the same brand that felt off? Maybe the tone was totally different. Or maybe it suddenly sounded robotic. That disconnect? That's a voice problem. And it's exactly what we're going to fix in this topic. Whether you're working with a team of writers using AI tools, or doing everything yourself, maintaining a consistent brand voice is critical. It's what makes your audience feel like they know you, even before they read who it's from. So today, we're diving into voice preservation techniques, how to make sure your content always sounds like, well, you. What do we mean by voice preservation? Okay, let's break it down. Your brand voice is basically your brand's personality in words. It's the tone, the language, the vibe that runs through all your content, whether it's a blog post, a tweet, an email, or even a product description. It includes tone. Are you friendly? Authoritative? Playful? Language style. Is it casual or formal? Simple or sophisticated? Personality traits. Confident, honest, cheeky, caring. Core values. What your brand stands for, example. Let's say you're running a fitness brand for young professionals. You probably want to sound motivational, upbeat, friendly and encouraging, not robotic or overly technical. Why voice preservation actually matters. So, why should you care about keeping your voice consistent? Because if your audience starts seeing different styles, tones, or messages from you, it's confusing. And confusion equals lost trust. Here's what nailing your brand voice does. Builds recognition. Creates trust. Makes your content easier to create. Enhances the user experience. Quick story. Imagine a luxury skincare brand that normally uses elegant, polished language, and then suddenly drops a TikTok-style post full of slang and emojis. It feels weird, right? That's why voice consistency is non-negotiable. Step 1. Define your voice with a voice profile. Before you can preserve your voice, you've got to define it. Create what's called a voice profile. This is your brand style guide in a nutshell. It should cover 1. Tone. Are you calm? Excited? Serious? 2. Language style. Do you write in short, punchy phrases or long, thoughtful sentences? 3. Personality traits. Are you the expert? The friend? The motivator? 4. Core values. What matters most to your brand? Example. You run an eco-friendly fashion brand. Your voice profile might look like tone. Warm, friendly, and caring. Language style. Clear and conversational. Personality. Honest, optimistic, grounded. Values. Sustainability, ethical fashion, transparency. Once you've got that documented, you're ready to preserve it. Step 2. Use these voice preservation techniques. Let's go practical. Here are the 4 go-to techniques you can start using right now. Technique 1. Create a brand voice guide. Think of this like a cheat sheet for your brand voice. Include do's and don'ts. Add example phrases that feel like your brand. Share it with your whole content team. Example, coffee shop brand. Start your morning with a cup of happiness. Please enjoy our high-quality coffee selection. See the difference? One feels alive and inviting. The other sounds like an ad from 1999. Technique 2. Use content style templates. Templates aren't lazy, they're smart. They help keep tone and structure aligned across formats and writers. Example, digital marketing agency, social post. Intro. Hey marketers. Content. Share one actionable tip or stat. CTA. Follow us for daily insights you can actually use. Boom. Consistency. Even if 5 people are writing posts. Technique 3. Train your writers and your AI tools. People and machines need direction. Train writers on your voice profile. Use tailored prompts when you're using AI. Trust me, a good prompt goes a long way. Technique 4. Implement a consistent editing process. Have someone, an editor, a content manager, review every piece before it goes out. Use a checklist. Catch voice drift before it happens. Encourage team feedback on tone alignment quick checklist. Does it sound like us? Is the tone on brand? Are we using the right level of detail and emotion? Would our audience recognize this as ours? Keeping it consistent across formats, your brand voice stays the same, but the way you use it should flex a little depending on the channel. Analyze the table for format and voice strategy. Social media. Short, punchy, visual. Use emojis if on-brand blog posts. Friendly, informative, room for depth and personality, emails. Direct, warm, personalized, use names, speak like a human website. Clear, benefit-driven, always tie copy to the user's need example. Instagram, new week, new goals. Ready to sweat with us. Blog. Struggling to stay motivated? Here are 5 easy ways to get back on track. Email. Hey Jess, we see you. You've got this. Website. Find your strength. Build your energy. Start your fitness journey today. Monitor plus adjust as you grow. Your voice might evolve over time, and that's okay. Just make sure to revisit your voice profile at least once a year. Pay attention to what your audience is responding to. Adapt slightly for new platforms. If your audience shifts, you may need to fine-tune tone or style. Growth equals evolution. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's avoid these slip-ups. Don't jump between tones without reason. Don't stuff in jargon your audience doesn't understand. Don't ignore what your audience actually wants to hear. Don't trust AI to get it right 100% of the time. Review everything, wrap up, and what's next. So, what's the big takeaway here? Your brand voice is your brand's personality, and your audience connects with that personality, so keep it consistent, clear, and true to who you are. Define your voice, build your guide, train your team, and review everything for alignment. In the next topic, we'll take it a step further with AI-powered personalization, where we'll use your brand voice and audience data to personalize content at scale. Sound good? Let's keep going.